In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ignition coil on your Subaru Baja. This is located in the front of the vehicle and right on top of the engine. Let's get started. You can pull each of the spark plug wires off. It can help to give these a little twist. You don't want to pull by the wire itself, pull by the boot. Next, we can get the connector. Press down on the tab. It can help to push in on the connector while you press down on the tab. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver and help remove this. You want to be careful not to damage the connector. You want to check the terminals of the connector for any damage or corrosion. These look good. And we have 3 10mm bolts. You can go ahead and remove those. And we can remove the coil pack. You can line up the coil pack with the 3 bolt holes. Since there's 3 bolts, we can't really line this up in the incorrect orientation, but you should note that there's numbers on the top and they should be facing towards you. It's good to get all 3 bolts started in first, and then we can snug them down. And we can torque these to 5.8 foot-pounds. We can reinstall our spark plug wires, making sure that they go back onto the same spots on the coil packs as before. You want to make sure these are fully seated down and you can feel the internal click on. Reinstall your electrical connector and make sure it's fully seated and not going to pull back out.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.